Open Siri Shortcut. First automation. Second automation. Third automation. Fourth automation. Fifth automation. Sixth automation. Seventh automation. Eighth automation. Ninth automation. Open Controls Center. Click Focus. Click Power Saving Focus. Set up this focus. Set plain black wallpaper. Top 9 shortcuts. All shortcut add from link in description and comment pinned. Direct location turn off and on use this. Like this. Set brightness to specific percentage. Water eject. Clear your iPhone or iPad speaker. Reel download from Instagram. Get charging time. Shazam song direct play on your favorite apps, Spotify and music. Use for media downloading. Use one-click turn off Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, mobile data in single tap.